Before a single drop is pressed, the journey begins beneath the soil. Each carrot carries months of irrigation, soil, and sunlight. Ton by ton, the harvest accumulates in the field. The tops are stripped, and only the clean root rides forward. Secured and counted, the load is ready for the road. The harvest leaves the field, and the factory draws closer. Only carrots meeting minimum size and density standards move forward. Every kilometer covered is a degree of freshness the factory must preserve. The harvest moves from field to highway, beginning its final journey. The field to factory chain begins the moment the bins leave the earth. At highway speed, fresh carrots have only hours before enzymatic decay begins. The load passes through the last inhabited stretch before the factory zone. The receiving bay is the factory's first controlled environment.
Back steady now.
Precise docking ensures no time is lost between transport and unloading. Inside the bay, temperature-controlled air meets the fresh harvest for the first time. From the outside, the scale of modern juice production is immediately apparent. Every pipe, every valve, every flow path is color-coded and purpose-assigned. The washing zone is where raw field material becomes factory-grade input. Every surface here is designed to drain, clean, and start again. Gravity and hydraulics together water begins its first pass. Rotating brushes strip every trace of field soil from the carrot's skin. Size separation ensures uniform processing. Irregular roots create inconsistent juice yield. The medium grade becomes the factory's primary input, consistent in size, consistent in yield. Color is a direct indicator of beta-carotene content, the core value of carrot juice. Weight thresholds eliminate roots too small to justify processing energy. Every entry point for contamination is removed before the carrot enters the machine. The hopper is the last point of stillness before mechanical force takes over. Rough chopping increases surface area, accelerating every thermal process that follows. Blanching halts enzyme activity that would otherwise degrade color and nutrients. 90 seconds in near boiling water neutralizes oxidative enzymes entirely. The screw lift removes product from heat precisely. Timing here is measured in seconds. Cold quenching locks in color, halts cooking, and firms the pulp for pressing. The milling hopper feeds at a controlled rate. Flood feeding destroys yield efficiency. Drained and cooled, the blanched chunk is now mechanically ready for the mill. The feed gate opens and phase 5 ends. What follows is pure mechanical force. At 1800 RPM, carrot structure collapses entirely in under 2 seconds. Every second of pump transfer is monitored. Pulp oxidizes rapidly once cell walls are broken. The mill reduces solid root to workable pulp mass in a single mechanical pass. First press juice flows under gravity alone, the purest fraction of the entire extraction. Maximum pressure extracts over 80% of available juice from the carrot mass. Spent pulp leaves the press at under 15% moisture. Extraction is complete. Raw juice carries heat, air, and fine pulp particles. All three must now be removed. The surge tank decouples press output from heating input. Flow becomes controlled and even. At 95 degrees, every pathogen present in raw carrot juice is eliminated. Dwell time inside the holding tube is precisely calculated. Too short and safety fails, too long and flavor degrades. Regenerative cooling recovers over 70% of process heat, efficiency built into the machine itself. Centrifugal force separates what pressing could not. The juice clarifies in seconds. Every valve, pump, and sensor across the facility reports to this single control point. Flow meters log every liter processed. Traceability runs from field bin to finished bottle. The buffer tank absorbs fluctuations in upstream flow, delivering a perfectly steady supply to the filler. Constant pressure at the manifold guarantees fill volume accuracy to within 1 milliliter. At full capacity, the rotary filler completes 1,200 bottles every 60 seconds. Every cap is torqued to specification. Under-tightened closures are the leading cause of field spoilage. Torque verification runs at line speed. No bottle passes unchecked. Label application tension is calibrated daily. Bubbles or wrinkles trigger an immediate line stop. Batch traceability printed at this point links every bottle back to its raw carrot harvest. Machine vision here rejects what the human eye at line speed could never reliably catch. The accumulation table is the factory's pressure valve. It keeps upstream and downstream in balance. 24 bottles become 1 unit in under 3 seconds. The packaging rhythm never breaks. Case sealing integrity is tested hourly. A failed seal in the warehouse means product loss. Every outer carton carries the same traceability data printed on every individual bottle inside. The palletizer builds each layer with mechanical precision. Uniform stacking prevents warehouse collapse. Each completed pallet holds over 960 individual bottles of carrot juice. Stretch wrapping binds the pallet into a single rigid unit capable of surviving transport and stacking. Random sampling from every production pallet is the industry standard for batch release. Visual inspection confirms what automated systems are designed to catch, and occasionally what they miss. The quality laboratory sits adjacent to the line. Sample transit time is under 60 seconds. 3 parameters define release approval: sugar content, acidity, and flow consistency. Batch release approval is a physical signature. It cannot be automated or assumed.
Okay, confirming release.
Release authorization moves the product from production accountability to dispatch accountability. The finished goods warehouse holds up to 3 days of continuous production output. Every pallet location is logged the moment forks retract. Warehouse inventory is live and exact. The refrigerated truck arrives pre-cooled. Product temperature must not rise during loading.
Dock is secure. Proceed with loading.
Loading sequence follows the delivery route order. First stop loads last stop loads first. Load restraint inside the refrigerated hold prevents pallet shift on every road corner and braking event. The tamper evidence seal is the factory's final guarantee. If it arrives broken, the load is quarantined. From field to dispatch, the entire process has taken less than 18 hours. The factory does not stop. Only the shift changes while the machines continue. Thousands of cases wait in controlled storage, each one carrying the nutritional content of field-grown carrots. Before the city wakes, the next dispatch is already moving toward its destination. Every second of this process serves one purpose: quality in every bottle. Clean, graded, and trimmed, the carrot is now ready for transformation. And this is how modern factories produce carrot juice from start to finish. From seed to shelf, the journey of carrot juice is one of precision, scale, and craft. Alignment before cutting determines the uniformity of every subsequent process. The processing facility appears purpose-built for high-volume juice extraction. Contamination control begins before a single worker touches the product. Sugar content and acidity define the final product specification. Both are monitored without interruption. Human eyes remain the most reliable filter at this stage of the process. At shift start, over 200 workers take their stations across the facility.
Good morning. Keep it moving.
Optical monitoring catches color deviation before a single off-specification bottle is filled. From inspection, every accepted carrot moves without pause into deep cleaning.